What's up guys? Today I'm taking you to another old neighborhood of East Tehran that is called Narmak, and here we're in North Ayad Street, one of the main streets of Narmak neighborhood that has a lot of different kind of shopping malls and stores to provide people's need. And there are some popular malls such as Nabovat, Seven Center and Kuwaitians that attracts many people in evening. This neighborhood used to be a pomegranate garden, and Narmak means sucking pomegranate, so that's why it's called Narmak. The best way to visit this place is using subway line 2 and getting off on Sarsabz station. Subscribe and turn on the bell for more videos of Tehran and Iran sites. Comment me if you had any questions, and thanks for staying with me.
یه سال من جایش